It's a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff. This is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Chevrolet, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.